Alright, so I got this Pro Class X mount, adjustable dual ball mount, 2-inch ball, 10,000 pound max trailer weight, 1,000 pound max tow weight. If you use the bigger ball, then 14,000 pound max trailer weight, 1,400 pound max tongue weight. Go, class 5, it's 2-inch hitch receivers, up to 5.5-inch drop and rise, corrosion resistant, powder coat finish. Right, this one doesn't have locks. As you can see, it's just pins, so if you need something secure, then you'll want to look for another one. They actually had one with locks as well, but it was like more than $100 more. And yeah, here's what it looks like inside. Got a box with some stuff in there, the ball probably. Okay, what else? There's not really much on the bottom. We got this guy. We got the little thing in there. Not really much else in here. Alright. Should be very easy to install this. And then a piece of cardboard underneath. And yep, inside we just have the ball. This thing is heavy. Alright, there you go. You can use these as weights. Alright, there's not much to this thing. Obviously, you just stick it in, put in the pin, and clip it, and that's pretty much it. The other inside is just other languages. Alright, very simple installation. Just slide the thing in there. Alright. And then find out how far this thing needs to go. I'm going to need 2 hands probably. Let's see. Unless I lined it up already. Oh, I already lined it up. Perfect. Then we got the little pin. You just put it through this hole. Click it in. There we go. If you need to take it out, just pull it back out. Very simple. Okay, so make sure that's in. Alright, it does wiggle around a bit, so there's that. If you want it to be not wobbly at all, keep in mind that's going to be wobbly. I'm going to need 2 hands for this, so I'll be back, but just stick that in. Put the thing in. Very simple. Put in this little clip, and that's it. One thing to take note of, this hangs down lower than the rest of the vehicle. So if you hit a tall bump, be careful. Hooking it up here. We'll see how it goes. And we got it chained up here. So we'll see. The scary part will be going down this steep hill. Let's see what happens. You can hear the tire skipping on the gravel. Alright, here's the somewhat sharp turn. Go slower. I'm going to hold the brakes just in case. Looks like it's okay. I can see it on the side camera. I'm just holding the brakes just in case. Ooh, that felt very shaky. I'm going to go extra slow just to be safe because I don't want that thing to slide off the ball and into my truck. Alright, we made it down the hill. Oh, and now the ball re-engaged. Pulling instead of being pushed. And it seems we're good. Alright, let me just unplug this guy. There. Unplug that guy. There we go. Just gotta raise that up. Alright, and this is what it looks like after pulling it. See, it left behind some metal flakes here. I'm not sure if that came from this or if it came from the other end, but some metal flakes came out, and then this scraped off the coating. But there you go. Alright, I'm gonna take this out so it's not out here for someone to steal, but that's pretty much it. And this is what the bottom of that looks like. Alright.